So I'm just trying to connect to my instance. So I have connected to my EC2 instance now. So yeah, I have connected to my EC2 instance. So this is the first step that I have did it. Okay, so once I have connected, so let me go through each and every command that it is there in my document. Okay, so Mahendra, did you check about the SAR report?
Sorry, Sundar.
So
No,
did you check about the SAR command?
no.
Okay, no worries.
I looked into it once, but it says on SAR there are a couple of commands basically, not just one command. When I looked, I mean, when I
It is
googled it,
not.
it came up like that.
It's not even a couple of commands. It's a multiple command. So SAR is just a tool. Okay, so you can use multiple commands in the star. For example, even 10 to 15 commands you can. It's not a command. It's an option. Okay. So if you have seen it, that's fine. Okay, leave it.
Yeah, I looked into it, but no, since it says there are multiple commands, so I just left it because now I felt
No, no. Yeah. So you can just see what is that report.
okay.
Okay, yeah, this one you know. Okay, so basically hereafter you need to understand there are two things. So if you are saying about the kernel, there are two kernels in the world basically. It is going to be the Linux kernel and the Unix kernel. So in this Linux kernel you have Red Hat and CentOS and Ubuntu. So these are all the different operating systems that you have. Okay, and HP Unix and IBM Max is also the Unix operating system. So just to make you familiar with the operating system, I have just mentioned about this. Okay, so it is nothing but ls-lrt. Till now we have seen the command called ls. Okay, but let's go just deep into the each and every command and let's dig into the each and every command deeply today. Okay, so you know the ls command to list the files and folders, correct? Are you sure about this command, ls command, right? So now I am just introducing a switch for you called ls-l. So what is this ls-l is nothing but the long listing way. It talks about the, so first D or hyphen is nothing but the file. So it's going to be a file or a directory. Okay. And this is the owner and the group. Okay. So who is the owner? Ubuntu is the owner and the group is the Ubuntu. And this is the size of a directory or a file. Okay. And once you see the size in the directory, this one you are seeing about the timestamp. Okay. So you are seeing about the timestamp and then we are seeing about the file name. Okay. So this is what. So the file name. So it is nothing but the long listing. Okay. So you are going to get the few other details of your files and the folders. So that is called as a ls-l. But you want to just have ls-lrt, that is reversely with the time. So you can just put only with the timestamp. So if you see that February 6th file went up and it comes from the ascending to descending order. Correct. So ls-lt with the long list in the time, but I want this time into the recursive way or reverse way. What we will see is whatever the file timestamp which is changed to latest file will be always displayed first for you. So that is the option that you have to always remember in the world or try out in the life called ls-lrt. Okay, ls-lrt. L is to long list, R is to reverse and the timestamp. So it shows the things in a timestamp in a reverse order. So this is what the ls-lrt meant for. Okay, so I'm just clearing the screen. Just a moment. Vikram, can you check with Tanaji, Chetan? So every time he is missing the class. Chetan. Sorry, Vikram. Vikram, are you there? No? Okay.
Hi, Sundar.
Hi, Shilpa. Yeah.
Yes,
Join.
can you please, can you please paste the link in the chat for the Amazon Web Services?
Okay. Why? Do you have any issue?
Not exactly, I missed it, so I am.
Okay, fine. So, just a moment. Okay, so if you have any link for the class link, can you put it in the chat, our group chat? Our class link you can put in the group chat. Fine. Okay. So what is here happening is we are going to talk. We have talked about LSI and LRT. Fine. So just you are going to list in a long way, and we are just going to have the latest changed file first, so that in the real time you have thousands of files will be there. So the latest changed file will be immediately coming on the screen. So this is the advantage in the real time. Okay. So now let's move to the next one. So we'll be talking about PWD, MK, DAR, remove, so everything you know about it, cat, the file, and head you know more or less and all, it is not required. So who am I and all, it's just a user. ID is nothing but a user, copy, yeah. So we'll be talking about the copy. Okay, so here you see there is a command called copy. So CP is a command to copy. Okay. So what you need to do is you can just use the f1.txt has to be copied. Okay, you see this f1.txt should be copied and say that it's a copy file. So it is very simple. This file got copied. You see this file got copied and it will be saying that copy file. And we have copied the file with this command. But the thing here is if you see with the timestamp, okay, so really it will be very helpful in the real time. So you see, I have copied a file called f1.txt, but the timestamp is equal to 1502. Correct. This is the timestamp. And the copied file you see here, it is the today's date, February 6th and 1443. So this is the time, right? But if you want to copy a file in a real time, what you want to do is if you want to copy a file from one server to other server, you can use it, or one location to other location, you can use this copy command. But it is very important that you have to preserve the timestamp. So -p to preserve the timestamp. Now f1.txt copy file _1. So now if you see the file content, I'm just going to clear it and I'm saying, if you see now, the copy file.1 is having the same February 4th of file 1.txt. Whatever the time it is there in the whatever time it is there in f1.txt is getting copied with this one. So in the copy command, always the very good command is to remember for that is going to be -p to preserve the timestamp. Okay. Now we will be talking about we have already talked about the grep command, we have already talked about the find command. Okay. So do you agree with me? We have talked about the grep command and we have talked about the find command. So what is the difference between the grep and find? Can you tell me guys? What is the difference between the grep and the find command? Don't turn the pages, just tell me if you remember.
Find is to figure out the folder name, a file name. Grep is to find the content.
Okay, so what is find?
To find out the file name or folder names.
Okay, so what is the basic difference?
For grep, it is the string file name, to find out the string file name. For find, just finding the file name.
Okay, so what you want to do is, I will give you one scenario to make you to understand in a better way. This is how the questions will be in your interviews. Okay, they will not ask directly to you. Okay, so what will happen here is, you have a folders. Okay, so you have a folder called date 1, and you will be having a folder called date 2, and you will be having a folder called date 3. Are you understanding the point here? So basically you are having the 3 dates folder, correct? And inside each and every date folders, okay, there will be a file. Okay, so each and every file will be saying that today.log. Okay, so in today's .log file, so I have something called error Java exception. Okay, and I have the same file called tomorrow file, tomorrow.log, or it is not logical, so yesterday's log.
So where are these files, Sundar? Today and yesterday?
I am creating it, right?
Okay, creating inside which folder?
Date 1.
Date 1. Okay. I'm just making a note of it.
Yeah, I am going to give you the machine since you are good with the find and ref command. We'll give that. So now what is happening is so it is going to be your Java lang exception. So that's fine. So what is happening here is now there is a folder called date 2. Okay, and you will be having the same files. Today.log will be there and yesterday.log will be there. Today.log file is success. Okay, so something like that it is there. And so what you are going to do is something which is going to be yesterday's.log. So yesterday's log will be having memory out of exception. Okay. So this kind of exceptions are there. Okay. Now which location you are now? So you are in this, you don't know which is the place and where is the file that you have the issues. Correct. Simply my question to you guys is, okay, I don't know, you see here how many files and folders you have. You have 4 folders and this many files in this directory, correct? In this path, home Ubuntu, you have lot of things are there. Now I want you to check all the log files. Okay, I want you to check all the log files in this server, application server. Let's consider this as an application server. All the log files, whichever there is an error. Okay, so I just want to check the log files errors. That's it. So how you can check it? Can you give me a command for that? Siddharth, can you give me a command for that? Just tell me the logic. So this is how you have to think. So technically, directly, nobody will ask you the questions and you should not think in the command in this way. No? Chetan, can you tell me? You should know about this.
Yes, sir. But by using find command, right?
Yeah, okay. What you will do with the find command? Okay, I wrote find command now. As you said, I wrote the find command, which is correct. Now it is telling all the files and folders. Correct. What should I do? Prabhakar, any idea? How can I solve this? Okay. Shilpa.
By using the grep command.
What you will grep now?
By typing the error, whatever the content which we are looking for, the string, in that string error. Then all the folders. So I don't know how to name all the. I mean, like the list of folders. LS.
not list. I can put star.
Okay, all the folders, yes, all star, yes, all the folders.
What is telling?
So it is grep date 1 is a directory, date 2 is a directory, date 3 is...
So yeah, so I have checked all the files, okay, in this grep, but few things, date 1, date 2, date 3 is a directory, okay, it is somewhere in the mail chain, okay, or a parent chain. So I don't know that. So what should you do? So it is 30% correct, that's it. Vikram, how can I solve this? Mahendra, how can I solve this?
Okay, go ahead, Vikram.
No, you.
See, we use the find space log star. We'll concatenate it with the grep command, and then we'll type error star.
No. Come again with the organized way. Find then
log.
Find log, just log like that.
No, dot log star.
Okay, dot log. No, dot tells about the path now. So you, by this time you should have bypassed the syntax. So find dot. So it just in the current directory.
Minus name.
Minus, very good. Minus name. This is the name now.
Dot txt or log file, whatever it is.
Yeah, correct. So it is right, but you have to put star dot log. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now if I enter, what is happening? So I got all the log files, correct?
Yes.
Correct. So I got all the log files, which is very good. So this is what the first is. So now the issue should be always done in the work breakdown structure. So that should be the work breakdown structure. What is the work now? I need to check the errors in all the log files. First of all, you need to know what is the log file, because you have thousands of files here. In real time, you will be having thousands of files. First of all, you need to segregate the files. So now I got it. So now what I have told you, now I need to concatenate this with the grep command, correct? Do you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, so we need to check for exceptions, correct? EXCEPTION, exception. But do you think this will work? It will not work. Why? Because the find command, because you are getting the multiple output for the find command, correct? So since you are getting the multiple output for the find command, you have to give as the input. Each and every file has to be checked with the grep command, correct? Grep the error on this file, grep error on this file, grep error on this file, grep error on this file. So manually you have to execute 4 times. So it means that you need to put it in the loop. Okay. So what is the looping command automatically which find command give is exit. So you are going to execute something with the grep, and now you put the exception, same command, exception. Okay. And instead of putting the 4 output, you have to put this symbol, and this is slash and a colon. This is the syntax. Now you see error Java exception, Java lang exception, memory out of exception. So these are all the errors you got in your application. So now you can see that, okay, these are all the errors, and what should I do? In the meantime, what you can also do here is, that's fine. So now you, first of all, do you got this point? Did you get this point? Is it clear to you guys? So this will be the most likely question. So you can note it down also. If there is a interview,
can you explain it again, Sundar? Little, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Can you explain it again?
I will. Okay. So if there is an interview, this is the 99.9%, the first person by the interview.
Okay. How do you find? Like any content in a file? Whatever content he will give.
He can ask in a different number of scenarios, but he will be talking either a find command or grep command with the execute command. That's it.
Okay.
So this is the pattern, or this is a template. First find the file or folder, or it can be what he will be telling you is, I don't want the file, I want you to delete the files which are older than 1 day. What you will do? Here, I am getting all the files, but I want to get only the files which are older than 1 day. So what you will do? So +1. So So the files which are older than 1 day is, these are all the files, correct? But dot profile, dot crash and all, it's a system file. I cannot delete it like that. So what I can do is, yeah, so within 1 day, what are all the files which got deleted, which got created? So these are all the files which got deleted, sorry, created, okay. So whatever, now what I am going to do is, whatever directory which I have created within this 1 day, okay, what I am going to do is, I am going to put type, -type is going to directory, okay, within 1 day. So what are all the directory which I have created within 1 day? This,
yeah.
okay, date 1, day 2, date 3. Now I want to delete it because the content system is full. The df-h is going full. Okay, df-h. If you are seeing that the content is this home directory is getting full. If you see there is a log file and log file is getting more space. So now what you will be deciding is, okay, I don't want the log file which are older than 7 days. So what you will do? So you will be just putting +7 and get all the files which are older than 7 days. Now in this case it is going to be directory, right? So now I am getting all the directories which I have created within 1 day and I am just deleting into one shot. So how to delete? By using exit command. How to give the, you know the delete command, right? You know the delete command, you know this syntax. So now push, so it's deleted, that's it. So what is happening here is nothing but it's saying some error. Okay, let's see what is that error. So refusing to remove or directory is getting skipped. Why? I don't know. We will see. First of all, then if you are getting such kind of error, we need to see first of all because it got already deleted. That is the problem. You see, it got already deleted. It deleted. You don't have such kind of directories here now. You see, it got deleted. That's the reason when the second time I am executing, it is saying there is a refusing to remove. Okay. So this is a pattern. Find command either with type or either with mtime or either with name. So these 4 things you have to buy out. Next is going to be the execute command. So whatever the output of the find command is going to be given as the input to the next command, and this open braces and curly braces is going to iterate each and every one is going to be iterated here. So that is the reason we are giving this open brace and the curly braces. Okay. Up to this is it clear? The find command and the grep command. This is the first real-time question people will be looking for. Okay. And the next question or the next point that people will be discussing is, okay, how do you tackle the disk space issues or any issues? So what are all the day-to-day activity or support issues you will be getting? Okay. This will be the next question. So we will be, before going to that question, so we will talk about something technical things. Okay, here. So there is a very good command called, okay, so can I move to the next command or if you have any doubts? Right? No? Can I move to the next one? Okay, Siddharth, are you getting the point? You are not talking to me. Try to interact with me so that I will understand that how attached to or how much you are understanding the points. Okay, Siddharth is typing. Okay, yes, that's fine. Okay. So now the next point is going to be a very interesting topic called 2 things that we are going to do today. We are going to see SED and SSH. Okay. So what is SED and what is SSH we will see. So seed is nothing but a find and a replace. So you know what is the replace? You know what is the Windows command to find and replace? You are working with the notepad or WordPad. If you want to do a find a word and replace the word, what is the shortcut that you will be using?
Control F and
Control H if I'm
correct. So Control F is to find the things. Okay, it is nothing but a grep command. Control F is nothing but a grep command, and Control H is nothing but the find and the replace. Understood? So now, what is the syntax? So let's create a file now. So I'm just going to create a text file, text.txt. So I'm just using the word called Sundar, Ram, Sun, Moon, and Sundar. Okay, so this is the thing I'm just going to use it. Okay, so I just typed the words in the file. Now if you see cat txt, it's displaying the words to me. Fine. Now I just want to replace the Sundar with Rajan. How can I do that? So the syntax follows like this for the set command. Set search with yes. Yes is to search, and string. Which string you need to replace? So sorry, which string you need to find Sundar, and which string you need to replace with Rajan. Where you want to replace globally inside the file. Globally inside the file. So search, it starts with yes, string to search, string to search, string to replace, and where globally you want to do this, and which file that you need to do this in text.txt. Text.txt. You see? Now you see the word Sundar, which it got replaced with Rajan everywhere. So it is the find and the replace. Is it clear?
Yes.
What is this find and replace?
Yes, Sundar, one quick doubt.
Yes.
So far it is clear. I mean, like, what if we don't mention the file name? So is it so that in the entire directory the things get replaced?
Nothing. No, it will not happen. So it will be waiting. The prompt will be waiting for you.
Okay. Okay.
Either what you have to do here, so you have to do it like this. Cat. Then you can just go for set command. So either way you can work on that. You see, either way you can work. You can use the set command, finally the file name, or you can just cat the file and after that you can write the set command. So any command with the file, if you want to manipulate something inside the file, either you can just put the command and after that the file name, or you can just cat the file and after that the command. Either way it will work. Now the contents are not replaced inside the file. You see, now the file will not be changed. The content of the file is not changed. Just the console got changed. If you see the cat, the text.txt, the Sundar is not replaced with Rajan. It's same. Why? Because I have just displayed that in the console, but I have not implemented or embedded that inside the file. So if you want to do this, then you have to properly give the command saying that set. So how should I do this, or text.txt? You see. Now the console output will not come here, but directly this Rajan will go inside my text file. You see, now the Sundar got replaced with Rajan. So this is the first and foremost help of the set command. So grep command, find command, set command. This is very, very important. So they will be asking, how can you find and replace a string in the file? So the answer should be set command syntax is yes to search the string and replace string, and G for global, and the text.txt is the file name. That's it. Now the same set command will be used in a different way to just check the print the line. We can print just the third line of a file by using the set command. How can you print the nth line of a file? By using the set command. How can you print the fifth line of a file? By using the set command. How can you print the third to fifth line of a file? By using the set command. By using the -n option. Don't ask me how can I remember that, Sundar. By practice you will remember this. So they will not ask in direct syntax. You need to know about the concept. Okay. Immediately there should be a logic saying that the fifth line to the 10th line in each and every file, okay, should be taken out. So what you will do? You have the files here. Okay, lot of files are here. So what you need to do is find all the files. Okay, the type is going to be a file. Okay, so what you need to do? Exec set. What you need to do? So n. So each and every file you need to get the first line to second line, first and the second line to be printed. So in each and every line. So what you can do, just you can write a set command and you say each and every file. Okay, each and every file you are just getting the first line and the second line. Okay, just a moment. So, so this is a good example of just taking the set command. So you can also do the same set command to delete the particular line also. So you can just use 3D without this n. So text, okay. Set delete the third line, and text.txt. You see, the sum got deleted. If you want to delete the first line, yes, you can delete the first line. So same thing, it continues like that. But it will not be deleted on the inside the text. It will be deleted in the console only. If you want to do like this, what you have to do, again you have to put -i. It will be inserted. This output will be inserted inside the file, original file. Now you see the first line will not be there inside the file. You see, the Ram is there, the Sundar is not there. The first line got deleted. So the takeaway point here is 3 points. Okay. Set is a command to use to find the replace, and set is a command to print the particular line, and set is a command to delete the particular line also. So the 3 functionalities is possible by using the same set command. Understood? Prabhakar, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, Sundar. I think I need practice on this. Yeah, maybe.
Everybody needs the practice on this, but did you understand the concept?
Not clear actually.
What is not clear? If it is not clear, tell me what is not clear.
The SID command which you try to replace it, change.
Till now I have told something words to you. Right? Which word you didn't understand? Tell me. 3 things I have told you.
One thing is you have replaced it by changing
What is the command? Yeah, find and replace. Do you understand the concept find and replace with the set command?
Find and place. Yes, I understood that.
Okay. So next what I have told?
Next you told the SID command.
Yes. Next also I told the set command to get the particular line number from the file, correct?
Yes.
If you want to take the third line from a file, you can use the set command, right? Set -3t. Third line print. That's it.
Okay.
If you want to delete the same third line, 3d to delete the third line.
Okay.
Print and replace, print and delete. This is what I have told you.
Yes.
So take the concept in a very light, simple way. Okay. Fine. So the next things are so what about Prabhakar? Are you getting the point, Prabhakar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you repeat what I have told you now?
About the SID command.
Yes.
First of all, you have created some of the files, and by using SID command, you have replaced the one name with the other name. And using the same SID command, you have deleted the one line by using 1D, 3D.
Okay, that's fine. One more. If I want to print the 10th line, what you will do?
And print the 10th line. -n.
So same set command, okay?
Yeah, same.
Yeah. Can you tell me, do we see any other command in the Linux that it can also print the 10th line or 5th line of a file? So how many files are there? How many lines are there? If I use a -n, it prints with the line number. So can -n, 5 lines. Okay. I want to take the fifth line. What you will do? Normally you will go for
Sid -n.
Very good. Very good.
5D.
So 3p and text. Dot. So I am getting the fifth line. But not Prabhakar. Any other guy, how can I take the fifth line of a file without using set now? You know the commands. Think. What are all the things? Yes, Shilpa, think.
Yeah, it's sid-n.
You understand my question? You understand my question? Set లేకుండా వేరే కమాండ్ చెప్పేనా మీకు డిలీట్ టూల్ ఇది
delete one, which you are telling about the delete one, right? Yes. So
Shilpa,
it's
please understand the question. No, till now you have not understand the question. Set command లేకుండా వేరే కమాండ్ చెప్పండి.
వేరే command.
Okay. So what is this set command? It prints first 5 lines, right? Whatever you put tail -1, n1. It prints the fifth line. Correct. So this is how you have to integrate the commands in the Linux. You know the commands. You know head command and tail command. Do you agree with me, guys? Pranita, do you agree with me? You know this command, correct?
Sure.
Okay, so this is how you have to integrate this command. Okay. Okay. So shall we move to the next point, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everybody woke up. Everybody are awake, right? So you had coffee or tea? What you had? You had coffee or tea?
Nothing so much.
Nothing, Okay. Without drinking coffee, I cannot take a glass or tea. At least I need to have something on my front of my desk, at least. So morning 7:30 I am waking up, or 6:30 I am starting the class, right? So 6:15 I will wake up, brush the teeth and everything is done, and 6:40 or 6:35 I need a coffee or a tea. So it will come to my desk and I will just drink drop by drop and I will take the class. Okay. Fine. Fine. So now there is a concept, so which I want to tell to you, which I have told you already, a cron tab, correct? Did I told the cron tab to you, guys? I have told the cron tab, right? What is cron tab? So I want Pranita to answer. So are you there in this class, Pranita? Second class.
No. No.
Did you watch the video? Then why you asked the video from Vikram? You are,
I had to practice.
you watched the videos or not? No? Sorry?
I watched only 20 minutes classes recently.
Okay, fine. Diplomatic answer. Fine. So yeah, tell me what is cron tab, guys? Tell me. What is cron tab? Siddharth, what you are telling? Somebody.
It is a scheduling tool, or it is used to schedule or time, or I mean, like anything which you want to run again and again, or to on a particular time you want to schedule something. It is used.
Very good. Very good. Siddharth, very good. Okay. Shilpa, good. So we can run the list of commands with the regular interval. Yeah, so it doesn't mean only the Siddharth, it's a correction for you. So it doesn't mean only the list of commands. It can be a command, it can be application. So any operation or any daemon can be okay. Any process, I would say it is a process. Any process can be started with a regular time interval. So by using the cron tag, that's good, fine. So now the problem here is clear. So I'm just clearing the screen. There is something called SSH. So what is this SSH? SSH is nothing but secure shell copy. Okay. If you need to go from one server to other server, then you need to go for the SSH. Okay. SSH. Okay. So now the point here is so you are there in one server and you are there in other server. So how you can connect from one server to other server? By using the SSH connection. Okay. So this is what it is in any black screen, not in Windows. Any Linux or any Red Hat or any Ubuntu machine, if you want to connect from one user to other user or one server to other server. So this is how it works. That command is called SSH. And how to connect from one server to other server? You have to give the, let's say this is a server A and this is a server B. Okay. Now this is a concept that we are working for AWS. So that's the reason I use this. So I'm just saying connect, and I'm connecting the server by using SSH command, and I'm just giving the input as a firm key and saying the username @ the server name. So how I'm going to connect from A to B? If I want to connect, I would say SSH and B @ or user. Okay, I would say user @ server B. Correct. So this is how you have to connect. Once you are trying to connect, it will ask for the password. If you know the user which is in B server, you can give the password. Otherwise, you don't know how to give the password. But that's fine. If you are going to do this manually, that's fine. If you are going to do an automation, automatically some service is getting connected from server A to server B and getting some information and putting the things at server A. So that should be automatically SSH should be working, right? That concept is called auto SSH, and how this concept is going to work. This is what we are going to see. Up to this, is it clear? What is our agenda? Prabhakar, why we are going for this auto SSH? You have to connect from one server to server A to server B. And if you want to do an automation, we need to do this without password. So normal SSH is from secure shell copy. Okay, secure shell. So secure shell copy. Okay. So you are copying from one location to other location securely. That is called SSH. Okay. So SSH username @ server name. So this is a normal command. So this is how we are every time when we are connecting with AWS, you are just saying SSH command is automatically coming. SSH and username @ server name. So this is how you are going to connect. So from laptop. So this is from your laptop, right? From your laptop, you are going to connect from your AWS machine. So this is what I am going to talk about now. So let me just put it. So this is how our laptop is going to be. Okay, this is our laptop, and from this laptop you are connecting to the AWS machine by using the SSH command. But since you don't know the password, we are having some star.firm file. With this firm file, we are connecting to this AWS user @ AWS machine. Understood? This is how till now, the first day of the class, I have told this command. We will be talking about later. And today is the third day. We are talking about this command. Okay. So now you understand why we are going for this SSH. Now our agenda is going to be auto SSH. Automatically, this is going to be connected without giving the password. Okay. So how can you do that? So now our agenda is going to be two AWS machine. We are going to take about two AWS machine. This is one AWS machine. This is other AWS machine. So I am just going to connect from this machine to other machine without giving the password. So this is what my agenda is. Clear? Siddharth, this is clear, Siddharth? Pranita? Yes, sir. This is how the answer will be. Okay, good. So this is server AWS 1 and I would say this is AWS 2. Okay. So now we need to have two AWS servers. That's fine. So now you need to do a auto SSH connection. So if you are talking about auto SSH, the command which you need to okay. So if it is auto SSH, you need to do with the algorithm, key exchange algorithm, key exchange. The mechanism is called, you need to exchange your identity. This server need to exchange this with the server the identity. Okay, that is called key exchange. So how the key exchange will be done? By using a command called SSH keygen. Okay, keygen -d RSA. It is nothing but the algorithm. Okay, RSA and DSA are the world two famous algorithm which is there to do for an encryption. Okay, this is a technique called encryption. So if you are creating this command, now two files will be created for you. So what is the two files? Which is a private key and public key. So these two keys will be generated. So whenever the server A is creating this public key should be put inside this server. Public key. So if you are putting this public key of the server 1 to server 2, that is called as auto SSH and you can connect from one place to other place without giving password. Understood? Only three steps are there. One is to create the key by using SSH keygen. This is first step. Second step, generate the private and the public key. Output of this command automatically will generate this private key and public key. Third step, take this public key and put it in the server 2. Then you can able to work. So this 3 point is clear to you how to connect from one server to other server without giving password conceptually. Now we will be talking technically how it is achieved. Okay. Up to this is it clear, guys?
Yeah, Sundar, what happens if we put private key?
It will not be connected. Who is this?
Chetan.
Chetan.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good question. Okay. But it will not be connected. See, the name itself contains the private key, correct? So it is a private for that. So that private key will be having that SSL connection to the fingerprints. Okay. So that will be added in the known host file. So don't talk about that. It's a too technical things for you. But private key will not be used. Okay. But there will be some private key mechanism will be used. So you see, now for this same machine, how I am connecting? By using this perm file, right?
Yes.
So what is this perm file? It's a private encryption mechanism. This is not a public key. Okay. So in such kind of this tool, okay, this private key will be used. But normally when we are doing with the one server to other server with the automation, only the public key will be used. Okay. You can ask me, okay, then why are you creating this private key? In such kind of things, you will be using this private key. So you will be giving the input of the key itself as the input, then you can do it. While we are talking about Jenkins, we will be talking more about that. Okay. So with the key only, we will be connecting with our GitLite and EC2 everything. Okay. So now how to create this? So now we need two AWS instance, correct? So this is GitLite and this is Chef application. So what we are going to do is, so this GitLite server is going to be connecting with the Chef application Tomcat server. So don't confuse about the name. It is server A and server B. Server A is this one and it is going to be connected to server B without giving the password. So this is our agenda. Now I have already connected with GitLite, correct? Sundar, there is a breaking in your voice. Okay, so maybe I will just restart a mute. Okay, is it clear now? There is no breakage, right? The breakage is fixed, I guess. Okay, good. Siddharth, you are the complainer, so you have to say yes. Okay, thank you. Good. Fine. So now what I am going to do is I am just going to create the key exchange mechanism here. So this is a Gitolite file, right? Gitolite server. So Gitolite. Tomcat, something like that, a server. So now I am going to create the key over here. So the key is here. The public key will be created here. Public key I am creating here in the server. So how to create this public key? So SSH keygen -t RSA. This is the algorithm. So keygen is the command which generates the key, and RSA is nothing but the algorithm. So I just put enter, enter, enter. The key got generated. So you see where the key is getting generated in this .ssh folder. Okay, you see there is a folder called .ssh now. So just go to .ssh folder, SSH folder, and you see two keys will be created here. You see DSA and DSA pub. DSA ID underscore RSA is nothing but the private key, and ID underscore pub is the public key, as the name suggests. Now what you have to do? Take this public key and put it in this server. Correct. So now let's connect to this server first of all. Let's connect to this server. So we will be using the same AWS machine to do that. So what we will do is we will just connect this place and say download. So I'm just connecting to my other machine, which is server B. Okay, so I'm just connecting to my server B and saying S to you. Now that's fine. So I said S to you guys. So now what will happen? So now .ssh folder, just go to the .ssh folder and you see there is a file called authorized file, will be default will be there. So just go to this authorized file and add the pub key. So add the pub key. So it's cat, I put car. So you copy this pub key, which is in the server A. Now I am copying this server A pub key, and what I am doing, I am just pasting it in this location. So I am just pasting it in the server B. You see now? Now what should I do? So I need to connect to this server by using the user at the rate server name. From which server I need to do this? I need to do this from this server, right? Now I just go to the server A. Now I am in the server A, SSH command, and I am just putting this Ubuntu at the rate server name. So user at the rate server name. So now I just say S, and you see now it got connected. So now I am in this Ubuntu machine basically, and without giving password I entered to other Ubuntu machine. So how? By just putting my public key in this place. You see, cat so you see I have put my public key of this server in this place. So this is my place. How I have created this key? By using SSH command, SSH keygen command. What is the output of this keygen command? Two files, which is public key and the private key, and this is the public key where I have copied to the server key authorized keys. Okay, so this is the authorized key, so that once you have the key, the public key in the authorized key, then it will be working out. Okay, is it clear? Can you practice? Not clear or clear?
Yeah, it's clear, but Sundar, what is the command in the command key generation -t? What do you mean -t? Is that location or any?
So -t is nothing but a tag actually. Okay.
Oh.
By heart, that's it, by heart. So no other way. So few things you have to by heart in the only in the Linux command.
Yeah.
See, that's fine. If you are not knowing the syntax, that's not a problem at all. Okay. Only thing is you need to know the concept. So always you have a Google and you can know the syntax, but if you are not knowing the concept, it will be difficult. Okay, who is talking to me till now? Who was the guy who talked to me? Chetan, you talked to me till now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what about Mahendra? Are you good with it?
Yeah, I'm good with this. I got a doubt on this. See now, from you, as you said, we have connected from the Ubuntu machine to the the Chef machine. Now, is there any way again getting back to the Ubuntu machine, or is it the same process that we need to connect again from Chef to again back to Ubuntu?
You want to come back?
Yeah, I just wanted to come back to the earlier server. Just
okay, that's it.
Okay. Okay. So it's as simple as that.
Want the vice versa?
Yeah, I know. I mean, like, so it's as simple as that. We are running the Chef server, Chef instance within the Ubuntu instance.
It is not like Chef instance. Don't get confused. Okay, a server within a server. That's it.
Yeah, I mean,
not running. You are connecting. That's it. Connecting. If you are in the same network, you can able to connect, or if you are in the internet, you can connect. That's it.
Okay.
It means that you have connected. See, for example, while you are looking for a Dell service center, okay, that guy will take the control on your machine. Correct. He will be connecting from this machine to your machine. Correct. So it doesn't mean that he is running his server on your server, right? He just took the connection. That's it. So you have just taken the connection from your terminal to the terminal. That's it. Okay.
Okay, Sundar. And one more quick question. Can you give us any real-time example, real-time scenario wherein will be required to use this?
Okay. See, everywhere you need this in a real time. If you have the server, okay, there will be a build server. What the build server will do? So the application server will be separate, right? So there will be a centralized build server. So from that build server, you will be connecting to each and every department or a product server and do the build. So first of all, you need this, right? Even though whenever you are having a separate server, if you want to enter from one server to other server to do the build, you need to have an auto SSH connection. Right. This is one simple example. Okay. And other is nothing but you want to run a command from one server to other server automatically. Some cleanup command that you want to run. So you have some, you need to write a script to check the 10 servers. Okay. 10 servers details, you need to do some checks and you need to execute a command in the 10 servers. So what you have to do, you have to automatically have the auto SSH so that you will be writing a script. So whenever you want to do any automation by using script, without auto SSH connection between the server, you cannot do it because there is no manual process. So if auto SSH is not there, it will come for the password. Correct? That is the real-time scenario. Whenever you do automation, any automation, it can be a server cleanup or it can be, so we will be talking about that. So we'll be talking about that while we are talking about the shell script. Let's say there should be some shell script which should be running. Okay, we have to ping the server. Okay, if the server is reachable, then go and execute some 2 to 3 commands, or go and start some applications from this machine. So what you will do? You will ping the server. Once the server is reachable, you will be SSH to the server, and with that SSH, you will be starting the application by executing just 2 commands. Understood? So this is a simple real-time example.
Okay, Sundar. Got it.
Okay?
Okay, Sundar.
Okay, fine. So from tomorrow onward, we will do this other commands, but in the shell script. So we will start shell script, and we will be seeing more commands. For example, there is something called redirection command, and all those commands are there. Okay, what is /dev/null? So these are all lot of things are there. So what we will do is in the next class we will be starting a shell script. Okay, so tomorrow or day after tomorrow, maybe 2 classes we might need for shell script. So we will talking about the shell script, and we will be talking about the rest of commands also. And we will be doing some little automation with our shell script to understand how basically the shell script works. Okay. So what you can do is maybe I think we have a lot of things to practice today. So please practice and come back to me tomorrow with the doubts.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Sundar.
Okay. And tomorrow, if possible, I will just give some exercise, 7 questions or 8 questions, so that you can just do that as an exercise to me. Okay.
Yeah, Sundar.
Okay.
Sundar,
Okay.
I've got
Yeah.
a couple of doubts basically. No, it
Go
might
ahead,
be,
go.
I don't know whether it is like, I might be asking too advanced or I don't know. See, like you have got a command for copying the file, right? In the same way, do you have any command for moving the file, like just cut and paste? Do we have any command?
Yeah.
Cut and paste. What do you mean by that?
I mean, like moving the file from one place to another, like moving one file from one directory to another directory.
That is called a copy command.
In
No,
copy,
he's
you will
asking.
have the two replicas,
There is
right?
no move command in Linux. Okay, there is no move command in Linux, and there is no rename command in Linux. Okay, the move command is nothing but yeah. So there is no rename command in Linux, but there is a move command in Linux. What we can do? Let me show you. Okay, so your question is okay. Touch F1. So this is a file. Okay, you see now F1 is a file for us now. Now what you are telling is you want this to move to some directory, correct? So mkdir, okay, move dir, so move directory. Now just command move F1, okay, to mvdir. That's it. So now you may not see the F1 command here, but the F1 will be there inside mvdir. So this is what you are asking, right? So this is cut and paste. So what I have did, so I have moved, I have cut the file called F1, and I have just moved the file inside move directory. Correct. So here, after doing that, if I put ls in the present working directory, you don't find a file called mv1. That is F1. Correct.
Yeah, got it.
So, and one more thing here is, since we have the move command, there is no command called rename in the Linux. Okay.
Okay.
So there is no rename command. So the move command itself will be considered as a renaming command. If you want to rename, see for example, again I am touching the same file in this place. I am creating a file. I have created a file called F1 now. Okay. You see, I have created a file called F1 now. Okay.
Okay.
I just want to change it to F2 means F1, sorry, move to F2. So it means that it's called rename. Correct. So the move command and the rename command both are same. So whatever you have asked the question, so the both the answers, rename and the move is the answer for your question.
Okay. And one more question, Sundar. So on a local machine, I mean, let's say if you're running Git bash, we'll be able to see the creation of folders and all those in our C drive or whichever directory we are working on.
Also,
Similarly,
yes.
yeah, similarly, do we have,
Yes.
can
Correct.
we,
Yes.
I mean, like, we will be able to see the folders or directories that you have created in a GUI format in the instance in the cloud? Hello?
Yeah. Now go ahead, Mahendra.
Yeah. See, my question is that, Sundar, I mean, just like in local for system, we are able to see the folders, creation of files, and all those we'll be able to see in our system. Similarly, is there any way for us to check the files in the cloud, like in a GUI format, not through the command prompt?
Files in a cloud means cloud is what cloud it is. What application cloud it is. GitHub or GitLab or what kind of cloud it is.
No, just take this current example only. You have created a MV underscore directory, and in that you have created F1 file, right? Can we, I mean, can we see this directory visually, like in GUI?
In V, then you need to go for the see Ubuntu desktop version, correct?
Yeah.
The desktop of Ubuntu machine, correct? Then you can see that. To go to the desktop of Ubuntu, you have to install something, a software called VNC server.
Okay.
Okay, so see, simply what you are telling is, in cloud it is not possible, like you are seeing in the SVN or web or Git or whatever it is not possible. But you can see like this. You see, in C colon or D colon you are seeing this, right?
Yeah.
So if you are creating a folder files in the Windows, you are seeing like this, right?
Yeah, here we are able to see.
Here we can able to see that concept. What you have to do is, it is nothing but VNC server. VNC server, I guess, correct?
Okay.
I remember that if I am right. So you see the VNC server.
Okay.
So what it does is, server app computer, if you want to control a VNC view anything. So VNC server, Ubuntu desktop. You see? So you can see the desktop version of your Ubuntu which is installed. So you have to install the VNC viewer to do that.
Okay.
But normally it is it will not be the requirement in the real time. Real time you are going for Ubuntu or CentOS or whatever means, you will only work with the command line prompt.
Okay.
And only the administrator will be having this V part. Okay. But he is not nothing. He is not having any part or any role to do that in the GUI actually. Everything he himself will also do in the command prompt only in the Linux service. Okay?
Okay, Sundar.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Sundar.
Okay, welcome. Any other questions? Very good, very good. So like this, I want more questions to be asked. So go, practice, ask stupid doubts, no issue. Few things I didn't tell you because you might not understand about that. So I am just talking only for the scope of the DevOps, that's it. If you are understanding this concept, see for example for me, if you are a DevOps engineer, you need to know about this SSH concept, cron tab, find, grep and send commands. And here and there ls, vi, all those cat command, all those things you need to here and there you have to touch, that's it. And for sure you need to very good with the monitoring commands like process, stop, glance, df, du, kill, seeing the process, running the things in a background. So if you are just good with this one, so that's enough. So this is what the expectation of the Linux in the DevOps is. Understood? So yes. This is more enough. So which you will be seeing almost all the commands in my thing. So you can see almost all the commands. So if you are good with this command, nobody can ask more than this. So this talks little bit high also, but if you are just good with all this commands, almost 95% all the commands we have covered here. Okay. So if you are good with this, nobody can touch more than this to you. In even the interview and also in the real time. Okay. If they are asking, it should be a Linux administrator, Red Hat administrator, something like that. Okay. So we'll meet on tomorrow on same time 8 o'clock. So please be on the time. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.